Hi everyone, this is Tanya Bambrick with Keller Williams. I'm here with my team, Tanya Bambrick and Associates, and we are the #1 producing agents here in Norco, California. So if you don't know already, Norco is Horsetown, USA. We have more horses per capita than any place in the United States, and we have more horses than people here in town. Norco, we love to show our way we live our lives through Horse Week on an average daily basis. Everybody here has animals, alpacas, horses, bulls, chickens, and by having Horse Week, it's going to introduce people who are not used to being around this lifestyle to our lifestyle. I would love to tell you about Horse Week. It is 10 days of family fun-filled festivities. It is put on solely by all volunteers and sponsors. They go above and beyond to make Horse Week a success. The residents of Norco look forward to this event every single year. It is the most fun event that I look forward to every year as well and being a part of. Setting up our booth and doing Horse Week is a lot of work, but it was so worth it, and I could not have done it without the help of my team, Alicia and Susan. Those girls are absolutely amazing, and those of you who have met them would absolutely agree. This year I contributed to Horse Week by being a gold sponsor. I absolutely love being a sponsor of Horse Week. It gives me an opportunity to give back to our community. And this year I decided to have a booth at Horse Week. This is the first time we've ever done this, and it was so much fun. We gave out these awesome little hats here. We gave out these awesome hats, and to see everybody run around the rodeo with those hats on, including adults, was amazing. We also have these awesome koozies we gave out. We ran out of these by day 2. These are for your drinks, your sodas, waters, beer. And we gave out keychains, and these go on the back of your cell phone to hold your credit cards and your AirPods. Everybody really enjoyed grabbing our swag. The koozies were the biggest, hottest hit at the rodeo. It was so fun to watch everybody. We really enjoyed talking to people. They came to us, asked us questions about real estate, or just came to say hi to us. I even had 4 girls stick out their arm and ask me to give them an autograph. I thought that was the coolest thing ever.
This year's Horse Week was super fun. I had the opportunity to work the booth quite a bit, and I met so many amazing people and talked to so many fun, amazing Norco people and people from out of the city looking to move into Norco, talking about how wonderful it is and what a great place it is to live here. It was an amazing event, and we just had so much fun that week.
Norco Horse Week is another reason why I love this town so much. It is so much fun, and we also have the Horse Week Parade as well. We had 3 groups in the parade this year, and I had my roller skating group, Norco Rollers. We had Norco Golf Cart Crew, and we also had our commercial float for my team, Tanya Bambrick and Associates. And we did take 1st place in 2 categories and 2nd place in another one. It's an awesome parade where everybody on their horses and horseback ride through town in the parade, all decorated. It's absolutely something you must see every year.
One of my favorite things about this year's Horse Week was the parade. It was so wonderful to see all the smiling faces, all the people waving, all the excitement that everybody had at the parade. I had the opportunity to ride in Tanya's golf cart, and then we had the Norco Rollers behind us. Also, we had the Norco Golf Cart Crew. I think it's wonderful that Norco has events like this. Everybody loves to come and join the festivities, and it really reminds us of how wonderful it is to live here, living the Norco rural lifestyle.
Thank you so much for watching this video and learning about Horse Week. If you guys have any real estate questions, please stop by our office. We're located at 605 6th Street in Norco, or please feel free to give me a call at 951-283-7742. Hope you enjoyed.